This second video we'll be looking at a different part of the Sing Train program. Again, if you click on week 1 term 1 and right click and open link in a new tab or a new window, and you'll get to this page, and this time you can log in with that username you created. I'm going to use Burton AUS and put my password in, and you'll come to this page. Click on Year 6 Singing again, but this time choose the up or down singing skill. With this one, you click on this and then you'll hear a sound that either goes up or down. So you went dee-dum, which is going from high to low, which is going down. So you click there, and there again. That one went up and a bit faster. And again up and down. It will gradually get shorter and shorter as you go. If you want to, you can go to a harder level by clicking here. And this one, it goes at different places. So that one was up, and you'll hear that the different notes make it a bit harder. It'll gradually get faster and faster after the first 5. There's the 5, and now it'll start going faster. Sometimes you have to wait a little bit. Oops. Especially between the 2 different ones. Oh, that was fast. Okay, and then back to home page once you've done about 4 minutes of that, and then you can go across to one of those other ones over here, which I'll show you how to use later. Goodbye.